What's going on everybody? I am Dipan Ghosh, I go by Dipan, and welcome to my channel Programming with Dipan. So in this video we're gonna be learning how to code a Discord bot with many languages. So in this video we're gonna be going through some requirements you're gonna be seeing while making Discord bot, and we're gonna be discussing about that. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what is Discord? Well, Discord is an communication platform where you can talk with people, make friends, play games, develop bots, and etc. Okay, now how Discord bot works? Okay, each bot when you create in your developer portal, there is a client ID and a bot token, and the bot token is the password of a bot. So with that bot token, every bot is been programmed by the developers. This is how a Discord bot works. Okay, first of all, you need to go to discord.com slash applications slash developers to visit your own developers portal and create your new application. It means create your new bot, which is the bot which you make. Okay, so secure token is something which every individual bots having. Now how to secure token? While making the next video, how can I make a Discord bot with a particular language, I will show you how to secure a token. I mean how to secure your Discord bot token. It's something like that you have to put in your environment file. Okay, so thing is that you can code your Discord bot in many languages. There are 20 plus languages are there. You can code a Discord bot, and there are some, the popular languages are there right now. Everyone is making Discord bot with JavaScript, with Python, so I would like to prefer to look in those languages only. So let's get started. Alright, let's see what are the requirements you need to create a Discord bot. Okay, so if you are uh, doing in JavaScript, please visit this website which is Node.js, and we're gonna be using the runtime JavaScript, which is Node.js. So download it from here if you are in Windows, and if you're in other things like Linux and all, then you can check this all. I mean, if you're in Mac, then you can go through this Mac OS installer, and if you're in Linux, I would like to suggest that go down and install Node.js via package manager. Now select your own distribution, for example Arch Linux. I use Arch Linux. So this is the code, this is the command to run in your terminal, and this is how can you install a Node.js in your system. Okay, if you are using Python, just go through the website, which is python.org, and just go to download. If you're in Windows, then you can download it from Windows, obviously over here, because it's recommended for Windows everywhere. Okay, if you're in Mac, then go through the Mac over here, and if you're in Linux, then source code is always here. Okay, next is code editor. Okay, if you're having specifically, particular code editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Vim Editor, and much more, I would like to suggest that you should go through this text editor, which is replit.com. It's a very nice text editor, online uh, browser based IDE. So you can check this website to code online. Okay, So now I was saying that how can you make a Discord path. Okay, so this is your developer portal. First of all, you have to log in with your account discord.com, and you have to log in your account in the website, and after that you have to go through this link discord.com/developers/applications. Now you will come this type of interface. Now you have to click over here, new application, name of your path. Okay, let's say PWE video. Okay, so this is how you can make your path. So your bot, I mean your application has been made. This is your application ID, and this is your bot. So add bot, yes, do it. So this is your bot. So this is your token. As I was saying that you have to don't reveal your token. And by the way, I will delete this bot from developer application. So I was just saying that how can you see which is your token, which is your client ID, and much more. So authentication, you have to select bot over here and you have to copy this thing and you can paste it right here to invite your bot to your server. Okay, so this is the thing where you can make your Discord bot. I will show you in the upcoming video. So next thing is that hosting your Discord bot. Okay, there is a free service called HeroQ, and in this platform you can host your own Discord. But first of all, you have to log in, and there are some free dinos over here which can run to your Discord. But after that, you have to pay $5 to $7 per month to run your Discord bot. Okay, so this was the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to like that button and smash that subscribe button for the upcoming video. Okay, thanks for watching.